very grungy look today. I'm liking it. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. My name is Jaclyn, and today we are going to be testing out. I know I'm kind of late to the bandwagon here, but the Revlon Power of a Dryer, Volume of a Styler. This says new and improved. I don't know. I obviously have not tried this out yet, but this is the new Revlon hair dryer and like brush in one. How is it? I've heard very good things about it, but I've not tested it out yet. And this just came in the mail today, so I'm super excited to try it. So if you would like to see how this performs on my very short curly hair, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can be part of my family, my channel here. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Really? Really? Ugh. Okay. So on the back here, it says Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Oval design with bore technology, extra lift, smooth volume, curled ends. We like that, don't we? Right? Lightweight, ergonomic design. Multiple heat settings. It's got a swivel cord, which we love that. Tangle-free combination bristles. Oval design, cool tip, unique airflow vents. Tufted bristles with bore technology. So, again, I've heard lots and lots of good things about this, but obviously have not tested it out yet, so. Still in the box, still in the wrapping. Okay. It's very bulky, but it's not too heavy. It's actually not that bad. So yeah, it's so pretty though. I like it. I like the design. It feels very smooth, looks very good. I mean, what is a hairdryer? I don't know. Whatever. This is the hairdryer that I normally use. This is also by Revlon. It literally, I think this was like 10 or 15 bucks at Walmart. So it was pretty cheap. It has two settings. It's got this button for cooling. And then I also use the Infinity Conair. It's disgusting because my hair is literally wrapped in there. And there's hair like right here. Pardon that, but I usually use this and, you know, you get it. Plug this in and we'll get started. To turn this on, here we go. Off, cool, low, or high. So, oof, that stinks because it's brand new. So the smell that's coming out of it, that smells really bad. So keep that in mind. I mean, I'm sure you've seen millions of views on this already, but I have curly hair and naturally curly hair. It is wet. I hopped out of the shower, did my makeup, and yeah, so I have fresh, clean, washed hair right now, and we're going to be testing this baby out. I'm afraid that my hair is going to get kind of snarled in there, but maybe not. I'm wondering if I should start on low. It's kind of loud. Okay, well, so low is pretty hot. There's a lot of hot air just for low. So let's see for high. Definitely hot. I have a mirror right here connected to my tripod, so I'm gonna be looking down this way. If you see me kind of like this, like a turtle, I have a mirror there. So I'm gonna split this. I'll pin this section up out of the way, and I'll do the same thing over here. You can see how short my hair is in the back. On low. Start it off on low. Oh, that's actually really nice. It is a little bit harder to get towards the root, so it's still kind of, but that was quick, like super quick. I feel like when I use my other hair dryer with the brush, I have to go through it at least 5 times before I get to this point. So, and I literally did that, what, twice? So that's awesome. So let's just keep going. It did get caught a little bit back there. I felt it kind of like pulling my hair. I didn't like that, but the one thing that kind of worries me though, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, and I don't know if I don't think it came like that, but the softer bristles, not the pink bristles, but the softer bristles. I'm going to see, hopefully you guys can see this, but there is brown spots in the bristles. I don't know, can you see that? It's like little brown spots. Is that the heat burning it? Like, I'm wondering. I don't know, because it's not on all of them, it's just on certain pieces. So I don't know about that. Let's just keep going. I'm just going to take this brush and I'm just going to brush my hair out because I probably should have did that in the first place. So brush my hair out and then try it and see, because right now I'm getting a lot of tugging and it's really pulling my hair and it does not feel good. Try it again. For it being on low, this is extremely hot, just for low. So I honestly don't think that I would put it on high, because then at that point I feel like I would be literally burning my scalp and burning my hair so bad. Definitely use a heat protectant with this. With anything, you would want to use a heat protectant. Okay, I'm gonna take this side down and we'll do the same thing. Brush my hair first. Okay. So my hair right now is just this side anyways. It is 100% dry. There is no wet spots at all. This is still pretty crimped because it's so bulky. I can't really get towards the root to really straighten this part out. I did try to keep it in here and just to keep twisting it and twisting it while it was hot to see if it would curl my hair inwards, and it did not do that. It literally is still pinned straight, so maybe I just have to get used to it and kind of finagle with it and see if I can get that curved in effect to really shape my face. It's still pretty crimpy right here towards the hairline mainly. Just for comparison though, for this side on the top, I'm gonna use my other hair dryer. This honestly is a lot faster. I feel like, in my opinion, it is a lot quicker, but it pulled my hair so bad. At one point, I don't know if you saw my face, but literally trying to get through there. And I brushed my hair before, too, as well. And just going through, it literally pulled my hair so hard. It hurt. It really hurt. So I don't like that. But I'm going to do this side with my other hair straightener just to see a comparison. Because right now, literally the only thing that I can say that I like about it is that it's quicker. Because honestly, in my opinion, I mean, I do have curly hair, but it tugged my hair so much and it was pulling on it. Did not like that. So I took all the hair out of my brush so it looks a little bit more appealing, hopefully. But I'm going to take this side down. And the way that I normally straighten my hair with my regular hair dryer, Usually just kind of take it and just, you know, so it honestly does not tug my hair that much. It tugs it a little bit, but nothing like that. That hurt. So we're gonna go through this. I'm just gonna fast forward it just to go through it. You guys know how to blow dry your hair, right? Here we go. Woo! It's getting hot in here, but keep on all your clothes. Right off the bat, I can already tell that this side is not as frizzy. So that's good. I'm glad I kind of did a comparison. So this side with the regular hairdryer, definitely there's a lot more frizz. It's a little bit more poofy on this side. So this side is a nice and sleek. And looking at it, this side definitely does look a little bit more shinier than this side. So at least now, since I did the comparison, I can say that it's fast drying, it leaves my hair shiny, and there's less frizz. So I'm glad that I did that. I still just don't like the tugging. I don't like the tugging. It hurts. But I'm gonna quickly, because it's pretty dry. It's like 85-90% dry. I feel like there's still a little bit more wet spots. So I'm going to go through it with the new hairdryer really quick to see if it can tame down the frizz just a little bit. Okay. So that is looking good. Like, minus the little crimps still. It looks good. So I kind of kept twirling it, and it kind of gave it a little bit of a curve in towards my face. So I'm definitely gonna just have to keep finagling with it to see if I can get it to frame my face like it says. That definitely helped tame the frizz. This is definitely not as frizzy as it was. So that's awesome. But yeah, look at that. Towards my ears, I don't know if you can see, my ears are pretty red. Trying to get as close to my ears as I could. It was getting pretty hot, and that was on low. I want to try it on high because low is honestly super duper hot. That's how it looks on curly hair. Not bad at all. I like it. I mean, I would go through it obviously with certain pieces with a hair straightener, or maybe I would just, you know, curl my hair with a curling iron at this point. Only negative was that it pulled quite a bit. My head is still a little sore. And I'm not being dramatic. I mean, maybe I am a little bit, but it did pull. It did pull quite a bit. But that is the new Revlon hairdryer. 2-in-1 pretty much. 2-in-1 hairdryer on curly hair. Textured hair. How about that? If I had to rate, like, between 1 and 10 cereal bowls, we'll do cereal bowls because I love cereal. I think I would give it an 8 out of 10. And I didn't give it a full 10 just because of the tugging. So that's pretty dang good, I gotta say. So 8 cereal bowls out of 10. That's pretty good. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know I'm late, super late on the bandwagon with this product because it's been out for, what, like almost 2 years? Or maybe 2 years? I don't even know. Finally got my hands on it. This does retail. I got it off Amazon for $42. It's like 41 something. But I'll link it down below in the description box so you can go check it out if you want to get one yourself. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.